gonna be a lot easier, not quite as heavy. Okay, I'm back home after a long day at pottery. I have my cart in the car. I'm gonna show you what it's like and you can check it out. A little heavy, a little overdone. So, as you can see, come closer and check this out. I have it loaded up. I mean, I've got this in here. I've got all of my extra things from pottery. I've got clay. I mean, it is loaded. I would think if you're, say, going to the grocery store or things like that, it's gonna be a lot easier, not quite as heavy. The good thing is that it's super lightweight, folds down really small, so if you wanna keep it in your car, just for when you're kind of going back and forth, maybe you have that unexpected trip to the grocery store, you always have it in your car to use, take it into the grocery store, like say in Aldi's. You don't even need to get like a cart, you can use your own cart. So that's what's cool about it too. Obviously we saw the handle, it's got the wheels. It's a cool color, I really like the color. And I don't think I pointed out here, I didn't use them, but there's two little things on the back here. Maybe, I don't know, put a credit card or something in there.
Keys, cell phone.
Keys, something like that. So yeah, okay. So anyways, I'm heading inside, gonna take this in the garage and wait till next week, pottery class run. I'm gonna load it back in the car. So if you wanna get a cool cart like this, you can click the link on the screen. Worst case, if that's not available, you can go in the description. There will be a link there that'll take you directly to the product. And I hope this video has been helpful to you and get one for yourself. Leave me a comment, tell me how you're enjoying it. Hope this video has been helpful and we will see you in the next video. If not me, it'll be Doug.